Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Past simple. Verb to be. Affirmative sentences. Was, were.
Se usa was para los pronombres I, he, she, it para los demás casos, se usa get.
Structure. Subject plus verb to be plus complement. Examples: I was hungry in the morning.
I was hungry in the morning.
I was hungry in the morning.
I was tired last night.
I was tired last night.
I was tired last night.
You were late yesterday.
You were late yesterday.
You were late yesterday.
I was very happy during my childhood.
I was very happy during my childhood.
I was very happy during my childhood.
She was sick the whole weekend.
She was sick the whole weekend.
She was sick the whole weekend.
They were bored.
They were bored.
They were bored.
She was at the party.
She was at the party.
She was at the party.
We were at the zoo last month.
We were at the zoo last month.
We were at the zoo last month.
The weather was good last week.
The weather was good last week.
The weather was good last week.
Last year she was 22.
Last year she was 22.
Last year she was 22.
I was scared of dogs.
I was scared of dogs.
I was scared of dogs.
We were thirsty after the journey.
We were thirsty after the journey.
We were thirsty after the journey.
The hotel was comfortable.
The hotel was comfortable.
The hotel was comfortable.
He was in bed late.
He was in bed late.
He was in bed late.
The weather was nice today.
The weather was nice today.
The weather was nice today.
At this time, I was in Paris.
At this time, I was in Paris.
At this time, I was in Paris.
They were here a few minutes ago.
They were here a few minutes ago.
They were here a few minutes ago.
Our room was very small.
Our room was very small.
Our room was very small.
That dress was very expensive.
That dress was very expensive.
That dress was very expensive.
She was cold.
She was cold.
She was cold.
Yesterday he was upset.
Yesterday he was upset.
Yesterday he was upset.
She was with her friends.
She was with her friends.
She was with her friends.
They were noisy.
They were noisy.
They were noisy.
She was beautiful.
She was beautiful.
She was beautiful.
This place was quiet.
This place was quiet.
This place was quiet.
This garden was beautiful.
This garden was beautiful.
This garden was beautiful.
This tree was small.
This tree was small.
This tree was small.
She was in first place.
She was in first place.
She was in first place.
The weather was terrible last week.
The weather was terrible last week.
The weather was terrible last week.
They were my friends at school.
They were my friends at school.
They were my friends at school.
She was my teacher in elementary school.
She was my teacher in elementary school.
She was my teacher in elementary school.
I was an only child.
I was an only child.
I was an only child.
I was 25 last year.
I was 25 last year.
I was 25 last year.
I was cheerful.
I was cheerful.
I was cheerful.
I was a joker at school.
I was a joker at school.
I was a joker at school.
You were scared at school.
You were scared at school.
You were scared at school.
You were a talker at university.
You were a talker at university.
You were a talker at university.
This building was new.
This building was new.
This building was new.
These sneakers were expensive.
These sneakers were expensive.
These sneakers were expensive.
This kitten was playful.
This kitten was playful.
This kitten was playful.
They were naughty.
They were naughty.
They were naughty.
We were messy.
We were messy.
We were messy.
This baby was very beautiful.
This baby was very beautiful.
This baby was very beautiful.
I was super agile.
I was super agile.
I was super agile.
She was funny.
She was funny.
She was funny.
They were at the restaurant.
They were at the restaurant.
They were at the restaurant.
We were at the zoo.
We were at the zoo.
We were at the zoo.
That girl was very intelligent.
That girl was very intelligent.
That girl was very intelligent.
She was alone.
She was alone.
She was alone.
They were married.
They were married.
They were married.